Hello everybody, today we will be doing the Systems of Equations flip book. So, I'm going to be in a pain in the butt right now since I don't have it stapled quite yet. But anyway, so let's get on into it. This is the Systems of Equations flip book. So, there we go. So, what is a system of equations? So, a system of equation is two or more linear equations with common variables. What are the types of solutions? Solution. X, y. For intersecting lines. No solution. aka 0 for parallel lines. Comma, and infinite solutions would be infinity for identical lines. So, let me zoom that in. That's an infinite sign, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. So yeah, so that's that. Pause if you need to here, and let's get on to the next part. So the next thing is, I think, the types of solutions. So here are types of solutions. So one solution would be so let's say right there is a point, and that crosses through it. It's not the best image, but you get the point, and then let's say that's another one. So that one would be x, comma, y. So that would be parallel lines, or intersecting, sorry. So that's intersecting lines. Now let's go over to no solution, which would be parallel. So they never meet each other. So they are parallel lines. Alright, now let me zoom out for you guys if you want to see the whole picture. So infinite solutions. So it's that. Let me get a different color pen. Need to be. So basically, an infinite solution is two identical lines. So this would be infinite solutions. So identical lines. Alrighty guys, pause if you need to. There. Alrighty, next we're gonna move on to the types of solutions. Don't we all love types of solutions? So we got this, so if we plot this, so we go up 8, -1 over 1, -1 over 1, so on, so on. Let me pause this and let me finish whenever I get the line. Alrighty guys, so I finished my line. So as you can see right there, you can't see. Come on, baby, you can focus. Okay. There we go. So anyway, as you can see right there, it's at -6, 2. So that would be my intersecting. So these are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Alright. Now, let's move over to this one. So since I don't know why, but it's changed on this one. I mean, as you see right there, it's like that, and on this one it's like that, but that doesn't matter because it's still the same, I believe. So let me pause and make my line. Alrighty guys, so now that you see that, let me zoom. Okay. Let me turn only one light on. Why does that seem brighter? I don't know. But, man, these are so hot. Okay. So that you see right there, that's our point of intersection. Should be at -1, comma 3. Zoom out for you guys. Pause if you need to right there, and then move on to the next part of the graphing section. Alright. So now, we're still on the graphing. See, we're still on the graphing. Zoom. On y equals 7 for x plus 2. So, let me pause there. As you can see there, it's not pretty. I messed up a little bit, but it's that. If we go over here, -4, -5. So, it'd be an intersecting line. I think all of these are intersecting, but still, don't assume that it's always intersecting, because it might not be. So then it'd be at -4, sorry guys, -5. Alright. Zoom. Let's zoom there. I will go back to that if you need to. Here, let me go. -4. Alright. Number 4, graphing. So B. Alright guys, so think about it for a moment. Where does it intersect? I don't see anywhere where it intersects, is what you are probably thinking. Well, you would be right. It's not intersecting, so therefore, it is no solution. Or you can do it like this. That would be your answer. So let me zoom out for you guys and pause if you need to right there. Alright. So now that we've done that, we're on to substitution. Don't you love substitution? Like, who doesn't? I don't really like that whole substitution. Dealio, so I'm gonna go by it step by step and your teacher will probably go over it with you more if you are confused. So basically, you're going to put this, and you're not going to put the y, and you're going to substitute the y in for this entire equation, and then your equal would be your negative 13. Because you see, this is where your y equals, and that's where your y is right there, so you would put that equation in for your y, and then be negative 13. If that doesn't make sense, just ask your teacher. So that'd be 4x plus 6x minus 33 equals negative 13. Now, let's combine like terms. That equals 10x minus 33 equals negative 13. Now, if we add the 30, it'd be 10x equals 20. And if we divide by 2, that'd be x equals 2. And then you have to plug in for your y value. You can use either of these equations. Either one doesn't matter. Sorry, let me focus. I'm on focus. There we go. So that would be your answer for x. So now if you plug in one of these equations, so for x, 2, and then you would substitute your x value is 2 minus 11. So 4 minus 11 equals negative 7. So your y value would equal negative 7. So then it'd be, your answer would be 2, negative 7. Let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. So that would be your answer. Pause if you need to. Because it's a lot of writing. Alright, so next would be, you have to so this you would have to substitute. So it would be y equals negative x plus 1. Because that ain't right. We can't do that. So let's try this. 5x minus 9 because you see we're using this equation. 9 negative x plus 1 would equal a negative 51. So that's a 50. That's a 50, not a 1. 50. 5, 1. Negative 51. And so, then it would be 5x plus 9x minus 9 equals negative 51. Then you would get, that'd be 14x minus 9 equals a negative 51. Then plus the 9, 14x equals negative 42. Divide that by 14. Divide that by 14. X equals negative 3. So now let's plug in our y. So then let's do y equals negative 3, or positive 3, plus 1. So y would equal 4. Because a negative times a negative equals a positive. Hope that makes sense for you guys. So then your answer would be negative 3, 4. That's kind of squished in. So if you need to, that would be your answer right there. Negative 3, 4. Zoom, 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 zoom. That'd be your answer right there. Alright, pause if you need to. I know it's a lot of writing. I don't like writing myself, but what math is? Writing a lot. Alright, next one. So let's too much. Still a little bit too much. Come on, solo. Yes, I do have a solo cam. Oh, whoa. Come on. Focus, buddy. Thank you. So, this would be x equals. I know that sounds weird. Oh, that's just 4y. Never mind. Oh, it was right. Never mind. Sorry. It was already simplified. Whoops. That's already simplified. Sorry. Focus. Do I seriously need to focus? There we go. Let me put both lights on, I guess. That helps with the blending of the light. Okay, so we would plug in our numbers. 7, 4y plus 5, because that's what x equals, minus 2y equals 35. So then that'd be 28y plus 35 minus 2y equals 35. So that'd be 26y plus 35 equals 35. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gary, what the heck? Whenever you go minus 35, it gets 26y equals 0. What the heck? Well, that just means whenever you divide by 26 on each side, y equals 0. That's all that means. So, if you do this, x equals 4. Oh, whoops. X equals 4, 0 plus 5, and if you do that, it'd be x equals 5. So it'd be 5, 0. Final answer. This you don't need to listen to. It's this right there. So whenever you multiply 4 by 4, that equals 0, plus 5 is x equals 5. Pause if you need to right there. Okay. Now, here we go. So that's 8x plus 4 minus 2x plus 9 equals 36. 8x plus minus 8x minus 8x minus 8x plus 9 equals 36. So now you're thinking, oh my god, why is 8x minus 8x equal 0? 9 equals 36. So whenever you divide by 9 on each side, oh, I forgot to do the math. B Alright, so after my short fail, let's try it again. 8x minus 8x plus 36 equals 36. There we go. And then that cancels each other out. 36 equals 36. So, well, think about it for a moment. Does 36 actually equal 36 all of the time? And your answer should be yes. So therefore, it would be infinite solution. And that should be your final answer. Infinite. Alright. That's it for substitution. Now, let's go over to elimination. Don't we all love elimination? They're our friend. Is elimination though really our friend? I don't think so. But, anyway. So, x minus x. No, so this is minus. X minus x equals negative. No, that equals 0x. But then that would mean that it's positive x. So then that would be 2y equals negative 2. Because that would be a positive. So then that would be y equals a negative 1. Pretty simple, right? And then that would be x minus 1 equals negative 7 plus 1, x equals a negative 6. So it'd be negative 6, negative 1. And that's your answer. Not that hard. A lot less writing. Yeah. I like it this way better personally. But it's your decision. So I don't get this. I guess since it's a plus on the first one, so it'd be 6x equals 24. So 6x equals 24. So 24 divided by 6, x equals 4. Yeah, that's simple. So let's do 4 plus 3y equals a negative 2. Minus 4, 3y equals a negative 6. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. Y equals negative 2. So it'd be 4 comma negative 2. And that'd be your solution set. Pause if you need to, right? there. Alright, moving on. Now, for this one, you're like, yikes. So what you're gonna do for this is, I don't even get this. Personally, I only do this elimination whenever it's easy like that. Or like this one, or like this. But, that's just me. Yeah. Sorry, I've not had any food all day today, so I gotta eat. So then you would get 4x minus plus 15y. Focus. Plus 15y. Never mind. What am I thinking? I'm such a dummy. Sorry guys, it's early in the morning, so yeah. A lot of people make mistakes in the morning. That's why I don't like teaching in the morning. Or even heck, I don't even like going to school in the morning. Alright. Let's wait a minute for that to dry. And I will get back to you guys in a minute. So I am back. You can barely even tell about the whiteout. Oh, sorry. This is my keychain. Whoops. Princeton Review. Come on, focus. It'd probably also help if I... Princeton. You saw that. Princeton Review. Anyway, we don't need to make this 33-minute video a 50-hour video. So we have our 4x minus 3y negative 28 minus 4x minus plus 20 equals 156. Negative 23, y equals negative 184, y equals 8. Hope you get that. And let's go x plus 5. I'm trying to go faster, guys, because I have someone coming over in a few minutes, so yeah. Not the best situation. X equals negative 40, because remember negative 40 minus negative 40 equals negative. Anyway, negative 1 8 is your answer for that. Ooh, you're zoomed out very much, so okay, hope you get that. Anyway, moving on. Pause there if you need to. I love my flex cam. Anyway. 2x minus 9y equals negative 85. Let's make our line. I gotta hurry up, guys. Sorry. Plus 21x, because we gotta distribute our 3. Plus 9y equals a 39. Cancel each other out. 23 3x equals, negative 46. And then our x is a negative 2. Negative 2 minus 9y equals a negative 85. Minus 4 minus 9y equals, wisdom 10. Okay, anyway, 9y. I'm sorry guys, I'm hustling and my handwriting is not the best. Negative 9y equals a negative 81. Y equals 9. So then it'd be negative 2, 9. And that would be our answer. That's part 1 of elimination. Let's get our other elimination part. Don't we all love elimination? Okay, so here we go. Oh, we are blurry today. Alright. There we go. So then let's distribute our 4. So it'd be or 5. Sorry, 5. That's a 5. And then we have to distribute a 2. Because we have to get our x's or our y's the same value. 8 minus 10x minus 15y equals negative 185. Get that? Yeah? Alright. It's kind of weird looking at myself right on a camera. So yeah, that's our 29y, because that cancel each other out, equals 203. Because it's a negative, we're subtracting. Y equals 7. And let's go 5x plus 7 times 7 equals 9. 5x plus 49 equals 9. 5x equals negative 40. X equals negative 8. So it'd be negative 8, 7. I hope that makes sense, guys. Sorry, I'm rushing. I got someone coming pretty soon, and I don't need to be late. Or I don't need to be waiting. Sorry, but not sorry. I hope that's readable. Zoom, 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 zoom. There we go. Alright. So this one's pretty easy. 3 is all we need to do. And we're going to subtract. So it's going to be a negative 3. Negative 3x minus 12y equals 45 minus 3x minus 12y equals negative 1. Alright. So then cancel each other out. That would cancel these ones out too. And you're like, 0 equals 46? The heck? So it'd be no solution. So that's your answer. Pause if you need to write. Zoom, 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 zoom. Pause if you need to right there. Alright. So, our final application. We got our applications here. The sum of two numbers is 53. Two numbers, x plus y equals 53. If twice the number of the y is if twice the first number minus 3 times the second number is 26. Find both numbers. So 2x minus 3y equals 26. 2x plus 2y equals 106. Minus 2x minus 3y equals 26. 5y equals 80. So that'd be y equals 16. X plus 16 equals 53. X equals 37. So it'd be 37 and 16. And that would be your final answer. 37 and 16. Hope you guys got that. That is your work. Pause. Alrighty guys. So I've already set up the equation. So it'd be negative 45 minus plus 10y equals 180.025 or 180.25. Sorry. 0.25. Let me pause here and let me wait for that to dry. Alright, I did some of it for you guys. The next two after this one I'm gonna have you guys do on your own, and then I'll see if you guys can check your answers with mine. Come on! Don't want you guys seeing the answers quite yet. So, let's try this again. 9x, let's substitute in, plus 2, 4.75, ooh, jeez, equals 36.05. 9x plus 9.5 equals 36.05. 9x equals 26.55. X equals 2.55. And then this would be your answers. That's what I was covering up. So yeah, do the next two by yourself and then have them checked. So go ahead, teacher, pause right here and go to the next one. Remember, that should be what you get for the first one. So go ahead if you need to pause here and let's do it. I gotta hurry up because my computer's about to die, so let's hurry up. Pause here, teacher, if you're gonna do this independently. This should be your final answer. Pretty easy. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And have a great day. This was your Systems of Equations flip book. So yeah, goodbye.